Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Did a trade on AUD/USD at 71.12. Right now, the market's currently at 70.89. We're looking at a nice amount of pips here. We're looking at 22 pip movement. I got in this trade almost about 7:30, somewhere up in that range. It's 8:38 Eastern time right now. Yeah, I'm not live. As you can see, I'm back demoing. Just have to, work on this consistency. Not really change the strategy itself, but just become a better trader. But yeah, in this trade, let's take a look at the charts. So my entry was here. Entry was here. I called it moving down. Actually, my entry was here on this green candle right here. I called it moving up. I knew it was going to be a point where it's going to fall, and as you see, it's falling over to 70.87. I do have a pivot level down there at 7.84, which is almost got to. So this is a pretty good trade I'm in. Things are going pretty well. Still got like 20 minutes left on this trade. I guess I'll get back to this trade. As you can see, this is full profit. I'm due to make $50.75. The account was at $60, so y'all know how I do. I try to do a live simulation. Cause I want to be, I try to simulate the emotion that you deal with. We're dealing with a small account size, which I will be dealing with. So there it is. I guess I'll get back with you guys in just a moment. The trade just cleared out. Nah, it just cleared out. But as you can see, I profited. I started this account with $60. Right now it's at 109.25. So we're looking to make another good trade, but we'll see where the chart finished at. Oh, so I think it was slow. That's why I couldn't get to this video fast enough. Performance problems. But here we go. Once it clears, we're good. As you can see what happened, I caught this fall. It fell. It was awesome. Very good trade. So now the chick is checking out.